going on, you guys? Mr. By the Mile. So, you know what, man? Flatbed ain't worth it, bro. You know, grossing 14, 15 a week, you know, you go home, and if you go home, then your check comes out to like anywhere between 500 to 800. That's a pretty good deal to me, especially once you start accruing vacation time and all that, man. You know, a lot of people like to comment how flatbed ain't worth it, how it didn't work out for them. Hey, bro, it didn't work out for you. Let me ask you a question. Why are there so many flatbedders? Why? So, are you calling us stupid? The flatbedders I know, they got miles and miles of land, their homes, they're stacking their money. Hey man, you live in California, you live in New York, don't recommend that you do that being a truck driver. Besides, quality of living is better in places like, you know, Ohio and Kentucky and Montana and shit, where else? Like, you know, Oklahoma, Georgia. Yeah, there's expensive parts of Georgia too, though. But hey, man, to each their own. I'm gonna tell you straight out, though, this job is for people that are willing to work. So for those of you flatbedders out there, man, much respect from this flatbedder to you, because you're willing to do what everybody else ain't willing to do for that money. It's funny, man, how people will hop on other truckers' channels and talk so negatively. But you gave up, bro. You gave up. But you can always get back into it. Short-term sacrifice, long-term gain. If you know what you're doing, the money will be worth it in the long run. It'll all be worth it in the long run. Hey, if you and I can develop some sort of a relationship, friendship, I'm willing to show you my bank account. I'll show it to you, dude, how much I've been able to save. And for those of you, this video is especially for those of you that haven't started trucking yet, that are still thinking about getting your CDL, okay? It's worth it, man. You tell me if in dry van or refrigerated, you can gross, as a company driver, you can gross $2,500 in a week. Can you do that in dry or reefer? I don't think so. You can gross even more than that here in flatbed. And now the company that I'm at, $100 per tarp, per load that you tarp, $100. It makes up for a lot of the trouble that we go through as flatbedders now. And this is the only company that's gonna pay you $100 for tarping. You know what I should have done for this video? I should be sipping out of this bad boy, man. See that? Woo! Hey, all you flatbedders out there that receive negative comments, negative energy from people, hey man, buy this cup. Yes, yes, yes. It's a nice cup. You know what I did this morning, man? And I want this, what I'm saying right now, to weed out the people that can't hack this job. I got up on my ICY TARP this morning because it's maybe about, in the back, about 6 feet high. 6'2". Climbed up there, man. It was icy. It was icy as, and I crawled, right? Because my tarp, I have only about maybe half a foot of overlap, okay? That's my problem. I should have thrown a strap over, right? But I didn't. So I pulled over, climbed up on there. It was like 8 a.m., 25 degrees, sun. Hopped up on the back, crawled. I was on the phone with my buddy. I'm like, bro, this is icy as shit, dude. I like this. I was thinking about getting back off though. So I crawl over, pull the tarp, you know, it was here at the front of the load. I pulled it forward, put my other tarp over. It wasn't bad, man. I bungeed it down good. I commend myself. I do a good job bunging these tarps down. So I do my thing. I get my 2-inch strap, throw it over, put a ratchet, and I'm out of there in like 20 minutes, man. No problem. This is why we flatbedders like this job. We like these challenges. We like this shit. This is our thing. This is what we do. We like the unexpected. Some of you ain't made for that. That's okay. It's all right. But, okay, now how can I word this? Okay, how can I word this? You know what? Screw how I word it, because this is in tribute to all of you who are already flatbedding, okay? People speak negatively about flatbed, number one, because you've never done it. Number two, you've never even trucked. Number three, you can't hack it, son. Simple as that. Now, what I just said right now, climbing on that icy tarp, dude, it's not all the time, okay? It's not all the time. It's probably, it varies, so I can't even give you a percentage. You know, maybe you'll do it twice in a month. Maybe you'll do it twice in 6 months. It just depends. It depends on the weather. It depends where you're going. Bro, trucking is a lot of changes. And as far as pay fluctuations, hey, say what you want. If you're a good driver, if you're a good worker, if you can hack this job, this company, my buddy cleared 82,000. Just saying, man. I'm just saying. And for those that say reefer is better, sure, man, you do make more money in refrigerated. Yes. But I'm not with it because I don't want to lose my sleep. I like my sleep. I like running in the day. God made me to be a man of the sun and the moon. People love the sun. You know what I'm saying? Rage, man, rage. But yeah, rise with the sun, meditate and go to sleep with the moon, my man. Anyways, you guys, for you flatbedders out there, man, much respect to you guys. Doing a good job. Keep going, keep hustling, keep stacking, keep buying, keep doing well. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like. If you hate this video, click like twice. 2 times. 2 times. And you know, you guys, for those of you who are starting out YouTube channels, okay, stay on your path, stay on your purpose, stay on your grind, okay? And it's just as simple as that. If trucking isn't worth it, why are there so many truckers? Are you keyboard warriors? Are you keyboard warriors really that dumb? Say yes and click like twice. You guys take care, stay safe. All you truckers out there, man, see you on the road, son.